There's Marley. There's Milo. There's Milo. There's Pussy. There's Pussy. Pussy. Hey. Say hi to the camera. Hello. Hello. Here's Bam Bam. Here's Bam Bam. Here's no one likes Bam Bam. He's not nice. He's a bad kitty, huh? Okay, let's go back here. Yeah, this is the cat house. Yeah. You can see all the cat hair in the house. Yeah, we're cat people now. There's all my trees. All the trees. Anyone want to buy a boat? There's my... Picked all this out of my yard. All blown out of the ground from Mount Lassen. Okay. So there's the brown inn. There's the red rock. It's a hobby. I got a load of wood early this year. I got one more load of wood to get. Oh, let's see if there's any. The deer like to. Oh, the deer like to come back here to this back lot and lay around. There's none here right now, but right there is where they normally lay. Oh. So, and here's the house where the squatter was. They've been working on it. I think they're gonna fix it, finish it, and sell it. And there's whatever's over there. It's Mr. Rogers' neighborhood.